In the vast tapestry of life, from the smallest insects to the towering trees, we observe two fundamental processes, growth and development. While interconnected, these concepts hold distinct meanings that are crucial to understanding the journey of life. Growth, in its simplest form, refers to an increase in size. Picture a young oak sapling gradually stretching towards the sky, its trunk thickening with each passing season. This increase in size can be easily measured, whether it's the height of a child or the weight of a growing puppy. We use units like inches, centimeters, pounds, and kilograms to quantify these changes. Growth is visible, tangible, and readily observable in the physical realm. It's the outward manifestation of cellular multiplication and expansion, a fundamental characteristic of living organisms. Consider the growth of a sunflower. From a tiny seed buried in the soil, it sprouts, unfurls its leaves, and steadily ascends, driven by an innate force. This remarkable transformation is a testament to the power of growth, a process governed by both genetic predisposition and environmental factors. The availability of sunlight, water, and nutrients directly influences the rate and extent of a sunflower's growth. Development, on the other hand, encompasses a broader spectrum of changes. It delves into the realm of transformation, encompassing not just physical alterations, but also advancements in complexity, organization, and function. Think of a caterpillar metamorphosing into a butterfly, a process far more intricate than mere size increase. This transformation involves a complete reorganization of cells, tissues, and organs. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring power of development, a process guided by a complex interplay of genetic instructions and environmental cues. Development is about acquiring new abilities, refining existing ones, and achieving a higher level of sophistication. The development of cognitive abilities in children exemplifies this concept. A baby's journey from recognizing faces to understanding language and solving puzzles involves a series of developmental milestones. These milestones are not merely about physical growth, but reflect the increasing complexity and interconnectedness of the child's brain structure and function. It's crucial to recognize that growth is an integral part of the developmental process. In many instances, physical growth is a prerequisite for certain developmental milestones to occur. A child needs to develop sufficient muscle strength and coordination before they can walk or run. Similarly, the development of language skills is linked to the growth and maturation of specific brain regions. Consider the development of flight in birds, the growth of strong wing muscles, and the development of efficient respiratory and circulatory systems are essential prerequisites for a bird to take flight. This harmonious interplay between growth and development highlights their interconnectedness in shaping the life course of an organism. The relationship between growth and development is not always linear or straightforward. Environmental factors can influence both processes, sometimes in contrasting ways. For instance, malnutrition can stunt growth while simultaneously impacting cognitive development. This highlights the intricate interplay between genes, environment, growth, and development in shaping an organism's life trajectory. While growth typically reaches its peak at maturity, development is an ongoing process that continues throughout life. We never stop learning, adapting, and evolving in response to our experiences and interactions with the world around us. This continuous development is evident in the way we form relationships, acquire new skills, and navigate the complexities of life. Think of an individual learning a new language later in life. This endeavor involves not just memorizing vocabulary and grammar, but also rewiring neural pathways and enhancing cognitive flexibility. It's a testament to the enduring nature of development, a process that continues to shape us throughout our lifespan. In conclusion, growth and development, while distinct concepts, are intricately intertwined in the grand scheme of life. Growth, with its focus on size and quantity, lays the foundation upon which the intricate tapestry of development unfolds. Development, through its qualitative transformations, shapes the complexity, capabilities, and character of living organisms, leading to the remarkable diversity and wonder of the natural world.